Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix laptop only works when plugged in. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to go to the search over here and type in power plan. So you'll be able to see a couple of options, but you're going to go with edit power plan. Click on it and you'll be able to see another window open in front of you. So you're going to click on restore default settings for this plan and click on yes. That will restore all of your default settings and help you with your battery. If that doesn't fix your issue, you're going to right click on start and click on device manager. Over here, you're going to find the option of battery. So here is batteries, double click on it in order to expand. And here you're going to right click on Microsoft AC adapter and click on uninstall device. And do the same for Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery and click on uninstall device. Then simply head over and restart your device and the issue will be resolved. If still not, then completely shut down your PC. Just remove each and every wire from it and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds and then charge your device for a few hours and that will fix your issue. If not, then that means that your battery has the issue, it's not working correctly, and it needs a replacement. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.